solving the system of equations in graphical method. It's very important question for board examinations. Okay, 99.9% important question. Okay, understand how to solve the equations using the graphical method. So for that we need a graph sheet. Okay, yes, please take the graph sheet and I will give you an example and then we will solve that example. So first I will give you example. Solve x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus is equal to 5. Okay, otherwise 1. So this is by graphical method. By graphical method. In the board examination, the method is indicated, you have to do only in that method. Suppose method is not indicated, you can choose any one of the 4 methods I have given. I am going to explain all the 4 methods, but today in the lesson 2, I am going to explain only the graphical method. So I have given you example. So we have to find out the solutions of these 2 equations. Okay, so let us say this is the first one is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay, so now I will take first equation. Consider first equation. This is the step number 1. I am not directly going into the graph sheet. Okay, layout, that graph sheet is the layout. For that we need to have a foundation. This is foundation work, basic work. Consider first equation. What is that first equation? X plus y is equal to 7. You make say y as the subject. That means keep y only left side, send x to that side. And then x, y, you make a table. That means you need a solutions, points which lies on this line. So give x is equal to some value, let us say 1. Okay. So then what happened? You put this 1 here, 7 minus 1, 6, y is equal to 6. That is why I have written y is equal to 7 minus x. You may be asking me a question, sir, can you write x here? Better always y, because we give values x and then what is the ordered pair here? 1 and 6. In the coordinate plane, in the graph sheet, if you want to represent a point, if you draw a point, say this is the point you want to locate, you need an ordered pair. So for that we are writing, line is a set of points. So we need some points like this and then we will join, you get a line. So now x is equal to 1, 2. So then what values you can give x, 1, 2, you wish. Better 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then what happens? 7 minus 2, 5. You can have minimum how many points? 3 points are okay. But I will take 6 points. Okay. 3, 4. You write 0 also, then what happens? 7. Then minus 1 also you write. Then how much? 7 minus 1 plus 1, it will become 8. You write minus 2 also. 7 minus 2, 9. So it is 9. So this ordered pair is 2, 5 and this ordered pair is 3, 4 and this ordered pair is 0, 7 and this ordered pair is minus 1, 8 and this ordered is 2, 9. Actually, when you locate a point, you should label the points also. So you can have A, B, C, D, E, F. So first equation ready to represent on the graph. don't go directly to that graph. You take the step 2 also. That means consider second equation also. Consider second equation. Okay. What is the second equation? X minus y is equal to 1. So, minus y is equal to 1 minus x. You send minus also that side. Y is equal to x minus 1. So, now here x, y, right. So, here I do not have space, but I will manage it. So, here also you write 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2. It is not necessary that you have to take only 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 2. Probable, because these equations are very simple. I am taking. If here you have a 3, 7 minus x by 3, 2, 7, then you have to take proper number. Huh? So, 1 minus 1, 0. If I put 2, x minus, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, okay. And then minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So, what are the points here? 1, 0, 1 point, 2, 1 is 1 point, 0, minus 1 is 1 more point, minus 1, minus 2 is 1 more point, and minus 2, minus 3 is 1 more point. So, we have to name it also. Let us say G, H, I, J, K. Now, total how many points are there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Actually, here 3 is okay. Okay. So, but better if you have more number of points, better. Not compulsory. 3 points are okay. Don't take only 2. Minimum 3 you take. Okay. You will be getting a line. You will be getting a line by joining 2 points. But in this case, you will get a proper perfect graph when you have 3 points. Sometimes these answers may be wrong. So, if you have 3, then you will get easily, because all the 3 should be in a line. Now, all these A, B, C, D, E, F will be in a line. Now, we have to draw the graph. So, for that you take a graph sheet. In the middle you draw, because I have taken 1, 2. So, I have drawn in the middle. Name it x axis, y axis, name it. Okay. And I do not have 1, 2, I am just marking equal marks. I am putting equal marks. If you are in your graph, they are automatically will be given. Okay. So, now x axis, the biggest positive is 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3 I got it. Highest is minus 2. So, minus 2 is also there. I need not this. If you are not interested, do not take it, no problem. Okay. So, in y, what is the highest? 9 is the highest. In the table 1, 9 is the highest in y. So, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only I have 7. So, 9 won't come on this. So, at that time you can bring x axis little bit down. Okay. Otherwise, there is one more method I am going to tell. Now, second table also, what is the y is highest? Here 1 only. Lowest is minus 3. Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3. So, what I should do here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So, now 9 came. So, here also you should do minus 2, minus 4, minus 6 and etc. So, I should write the scale on x axis, y axis. So, then 1 unit is equal to 2, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Between every 2 lines 1 centimeter, you can measure the length. There will be so many lines in the graph sheet. the distance between every two lines is 1 centimeter. So now here 1 centimeter like that. In y axis I have taken 1 centimeter 2 like that. That is why 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay. So x axis I have taken, because 2 is the highest, plus 2 is the highest, minus 2 is the highest. In your graph sheet there 6 will be there, this 6 also will be there. So even then I will take 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So here scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. Very, very important. You should write x, you should indicate y, you should indicate 6. Okay. Now my graph sheet is ready to represent these points. Now first A, B, C, D, you first complete this, join it. So 1, 6, I will use the black pen. 1, 6 is here. This is my approximate graph. I have written dot, this dot is A. Okay. If you are not writing A, you should indicate 1, 6 here. In the graph sheet, if you are indicating A, B, C, D, E, okay, you put A, B. If you are not indicating A, B, C, D, E, F, you have to indicate 1, 6 there. So A represented, B 2, 5. Okay, this is B. And 0, 7. 0 is here, this is 0, 7 is in between. This is C. Okay. Now minus 1, 8. Minus 1, 8. So it will be coming like this. This is D. Now I will join it. Now you don't join like freehand. Huh? You should always use the scale to join. Okay, don't draw with the freehand. With freehand you have to draw only curves, right? But lines always should be drawn using the scale. So now I got a straight line. So this is equation number 1. Okay, because I have indicated 1, I have written 1. If you are not indicating 1, you should write this equation here. 1 is over. So I did not represent A, B, C, D, E only. E, F I did not represent. No problem. If you represent also, okay. Now second equation. G, 1, 0. This is 1, 0. Right? 2, 1. 2, 1. This is G and this is H. Okay, 0, minus 1. This is 0, minus 1, HI. Minus 1, minus 2. This is IJ. Over. Okay. I am not representing K. So then I am getting almost not intersecting, you make it intersect. Okay. So then both lines are intersected. This equation is 2. So now I have drawn the graphs of both equations here. So then these two lines, which case now? Case 1, because they are intersecting. They are intersecting means they have only one solution. How to find this solution? Okay, from here you have to draw one line and you have perpendicular one line you have to draw like this, because mine is little on this side. Don't see this is a cross, huh? You will be getting. So this is the solution. So what is the solution? 3 and 4. That means x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 is the solution. Okay. There will be a line here because my graph is approximate, so little came this side. So 3, 4 is the answer. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4, 3. X is equal to, sorry, it should be down only. Sorry, I have manipulated it. So this will be 4 and this will be 3. So then it will be 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 minus 3, 7. Like this also you can manipulate it. Okay. So 4 and 3. This is 3. So this is the solution. This is how you have to do the graphical solution of a system of a linear equation.